Hey friends, welcome to my bathroom, which I always keep demo ready just for you. I wanted to walk you through what I have in my bathroom cleaning buckets. So I have one of these under every sink in my home where there's a bathroom so that people in my family can quickly grab it. And yes, I do have a laminated checklist as well. Let me know if you want it. But it has everything that we need to deep clean our bathroom. So all of this stuff is different products. Of course, you want to make sure that you have the basic Enviro cloth and window cloth, but I'm also going to show you how I use our handheld mop system, which remember the wet mop pad is exactly like the Enviro cloth embedded with the microsilver, so it's deactivating any bacteria that it picks up, plus leaving that 99.9% bacteria-free clean. Also, there is a squeegee attachment now, which I'm going to show you how I use in my shower on my glass shower doors. And then of course the window mop pad can be replaced with the window cloth if you want to use a faster system. When it comes to extra products that I use to get rid of soap grime or rust or hard water staining, I am reaching for something beyond the Enviro cloth. Because though it is amazing at lifting everything off, sometimes that hard water is just a little too difficult to get off, and you really want that extra shine in it too, right? So for that, on my acrylic tub surround, which you can see here behind me, I like to use the bathroom cleaner. The bathroom cleaner doubles as my toilet bowl cleaner, as well as diluted with water. I use it to spray onto my acrylic tub surround so that it dissolves all that grime and hard water staining, plus it leaves an incredible shine on it. Wait till you see. You do want to mix this 7-to-1 with water in the bottle. So I'm going to dump about this much of the bathroom cleaner into the bottle. I'll fill up the rest with water. The other thing that is my go-to is the descaler. The descaler is our version of CLR. It gets rid of calcium, lime, and rust. You just spray it on and off you go. I love this around the taps and in the sink when sometimes there's a little ring in there. I also have my backup cleaning paste in here because I do use this everywhere I need that extra elbow grease. I like this in the tub, but oftentimes I'm just using my Blue Diamond. And then these are the scrubbers that I use. Okay, so some of you might recognize the famous Norwex netted dishcloth, but it's also really amazing in the shower because it doesn't absorb anything in it. It just has that scouring power and everything rinses away. When I want to have a little bit more Envirocloth action and scrubbing, then I'm using our Enviroscrubs. So this is my scrubbing of choice in the bathroom. So here we go, ready to clean? That didn't work.
It like exploded. We can use that.
And that's how you clean a bathroom Norwex style.